back to Christine Marcelina Yeayyy channel, and today I'm going to unboxing and review new makeup that I bought. This Focallure Everchanging Eyeshadow palette. So today I'm going to unboxing this and I'm going to review this. But before we continue, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video to all of your friends if you find my video is useful. Nah, so I'm going to unboxing this first. It still has a plastic wrap, this product. And for Focallure, you can find it's like this. Scan this barcode to find if your product is original or not. But I'm planning to do that later, because right now I'm going to review this product first. And the first one, I'm going to talk about packaging as usual. Like this. You know, I like this product because of what? Because of the packaging first. Because this packaging looks so cute. You see, this product have a lot of leaves design, and that's super cute. And the back of the product is also have some leaves design. And this is super cute packaging. And the next step, I'm going to talk about the price. Nah, the price of this product is I bought this around 185,000 rupiahs, and it in a range. It's a medium range, not so expensive but also not cheap. So it's medium for the price. But let me see if this product is worth it with the price. Now we are going to unboxing. I really like unboxing. Wow, the packaging is so good. Wow, it has a lot of box. Wow, oh my god. You know, this makeup, the eyeshadow palette colored in rose gold, which is almost look like a phone. Oh my god, so cute. You see, the packaging is also the same like what we have in the box. 100% same. So this is super cute and I love it. Wow. Ow, ow, ow. So in here, you guys can see it has a mirror, but I don't want to open the mirror now. I will open it later. And you can see the eyeshadow palette. They give a plastic like this. So this is all super amazing. You see guys, the color is so amazing. The color is so amazing. You can see why I bought this product, because I don't have a blue eyeshadow and a solid purple eyeshadow. That's why I bought this. Wow, and this also have a white eyeshadow. Oh my god, I can't wait to test this product later. Oh my god. So this eyeshadow have some matte color and some glossy color like this. This is a glittery eyeshadow, and they also give you a brush. Wow. This is the brush. Wow. Oh my god, so cute. This is really make my day. I'm so happy. But right now I'm going to, we need to check the product. The packaging and the price, we already talked about it. Now let's talk about the product quality. I will using this blue eyeshadow on my eyelid to see how it looks like. So I'm going to use my own brush for right now because I don't really want to open and using the brush they gave. The brush also have the brand name written on it. So I'm going to use my brush, my own brush, because I have this. So let's get started. Let me see if this good or not. Oh my god, so pigmented. Oh! You guys see it? Wow. Oh my god, I can make tons of videos using this product. All the idea already start appear on my brain right now. But for right now, I'm going to use only this blue one, just to see how it looks like. But this eyeshadow is also super pigmented and super cool. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So let me test on the bottom eyelid. Let's see how it looks like. Oh my god, this is so good. This one is so pigmented, but this product needs some I need some time to make this product look better. But for right now, I'm just going to check how the color works. But this is really works. Wow. So I bought a good product. Let's see if I put just a little bit amount of the excess that already in the brush, how it looks like. This is just the excess from this eyeshadow. Even though it's just the excess, but it still look fine, still look good. This is when you apply just a little bit amount, and this is when you applies 2 or 3 layers. This is what you gonna got. What you got. Wow. But this is so cute. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yay. So I got a new toys here. A new makeup. Yay. So last time I'm using this blue color, and it turns out like this. But into my eyes, it turns out like a little bit green, almost like lake green. But on here it's a blue, but it looks like maybe I need to apply more to get this blue color. But I think it's enough for now because this is just a test, just a review, short review. Yay! So I have a new toys. Oh, where? I need to put this back. so the eyeshadow will stay beautifully. Yay! And this packaging in the edge in here, it looks like it has a magnet. You see? It has a magnet, so this product is so good. And from what I've experienced right now, buy or buy. And I think I will buy this product again with a different shade color. I want to collect them all. Oh my god, this product is so cute and so amazing. Wow. Later I will use this eyeshadow according to my mood. Yay, 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 yay. And I also bought their lip cream. Also same from Focallure. And I think I will review this later on the other video. But for now I just review this, and I hope my video can help you making a decision, because this product is so lovely and so cool. Yay! I never love eyeshadow this much, but I love this so much. Ooh, amazing. Yay! Alright, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy this video and get some information from this video. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day wherever you are, and see you on my next video. Bye! Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video to all of your friends. Bye bye!